The functions of GUI are powerful, and in the same time we have instructions to match different widgets to achieve different effects. This time we will show the actual effects of the linkage between commands and some widgets. As shown in the video, the commands related to the window page are open window, back window, close window, etc. Customers can also directly implement these functions through user-define of the button on the GUI software. Take button as an example. It can have different return values, such as click value, and the click value of each button is fixed and unique. For next button, I disabled click value but enabled press down value and press up value. For next button, I just enabled long press value. You can set the trigger time of long press in GUI software. After triggering, it will first return a long press return value, and then repeatedly send the click value according to the set time interval. The above are all system default return values. Users can also customize the desired return value in GUI software. This button has a custom click value set in advance, 0001, 2 bytes of hexadecimal. This button has set the custom press down value and press up value in GUI software in advance to 0002 and 0003 respectively. And this button has customized long press value 0004 and click value 0001. The button widget is mainly used for data return, while the check button widget and radio button widget and radio _ button widget are mainly used for single selection and multiple selection. You can send set value instruction to set check button and radio button checked or unchecked. The difference between them is that different check buttons can be checked at the same time, while only one radio button can be checked in the same group, the same view or the same window page. When selected, there will be a return value. The switch button will return a set of values when it is turned on and off. 00 is the off state, and 01 is on. Users can also control it to be turned on or off through the set value command. Text-related widgets are mainly used to display different texts. The video will show static text, dynamic text, input text, and multi-line text. Sending set text and set vol can change the display content of static text. Please refer to the video. Get text and get value can get the content of the text. Get text can get the text and the value in the static text, while get value can only get the value but not the text. In addition, all value types are float type. Next is scrolling text. Scrolling text will produce a scrolling animation, which requires the text content to be greater than the length of the text. The video shows that it stops automatically after playing once, but after sending the set loop command, it can be played in a loop from left to right. This can also be set in the GUI software. set yo-yo is different. It allows the text to be played in a loop in the forward and backward directions. This can also be set through the GUI software when designing the UI. The system defaults to scrolling from left to right. If you want it to scroll from right to left, you can send set direction false. And you can also send set duration to set the time it takes to complete the scroll. The unit of time is milliseconds. These can all be set in advance on the GUI software during the UI design stage. Here is mainly to show the diversity of the functions of the command. Here you can also get the text content through the getText command. Edit is an input text box, which comes with a default keyboard, and you can also customize different keyboards through the UI software. After entering the content, click Done to send data actively. Let It is a multi-line text edit box. Clicking Done will switch to the next line. Data will only be sent when the keyboard loses focus. Edit supports the set text and set value command. And each time it is sent, it will receive the corresponding return value. Edit also supports getText and getValue commands. As before, values can be retrieved as text, but text cannot be retrieved as data. Because these two edit widgets have different input types set on the GUI software, the values obtained here are also different. The setText command can change the text content of letIt. But currently it is the same line of text. If you need to wrap the line, you need to manually click Done. getText can get the content of letIt.